Action needed. Upcoming changes to asset privacy for audio. Please review your experiences now to ensure users are not disrupted. Please learn more. Yes, we got that, Roblox. Thank you for the suggestion. Alright, good. Is it just afternoon, not evening? Alright, I guess I go for afternoon. Hello, everybody. It's me once again, and today we're going to be working on this game once again for the fourth time this week in a row. So as you can see, guys, it seems that the car engine that we're using, which is about 3 seconds long, is perfectly safe. So as you can see, this guy was the one who made it. Fortunately, it works. So that means if there is a check mark beside the audio, even if you don't own it, that means you're good to use it. If not, then you have to update it. So fortunately, we are able to keep this, so that's awesome sauce. Only the sound effects, I'm pretty sure, because people's music is probably the only reason. But yeah, now I went ahead and did update the game a little bit this morning. And I had to make some changes, and yeah, it does look a little different, but not too different. I did add a new inventory. It's going to be releasing soon, so stay tuned for that, I guess. There will be probably 5 weapons. One of them is just something you can use to unequip. The other 4 will be weapons. So, as you can see, if I go over here, this is called the main GUI. There's an inventory frame now. This one's called the nothing equipped item button. And as you can see, it doesn't work. It doesn't serve a purpose right now, but it will. So I'm going to go ahead and go over here. And by the way, please ignore those stuff because those are unimportant. So we do have these punch icons. I'm going to do a punch icon. Let's see if there's one. Alright, there is a punch icon, but I don't know which one to use. I did this before, but I don't even know which one's right. So yeah, and if you guys haven't joined the stream, nice to see you all. Today is Thursday, and Thursdays are pretty good days, I guess. And also I muted my notifications, so we don't have to worry about that. Alright, so what is the best example of an item unequipped icon? Is it just this? Let's see. Is it the no bully sign? Let me see. Alright, no bully sign. No bowling sign. Let's see. It has a red circle. Red circle? No. Is it just that? No symbol? What's this? No symbol. Oh, no symbol? Is that what it's called? No symbol? Let's see. Is there any that's called no symbol? Let's see. No. Alright. That's totally fine. I think it's... What is it called? Let's see. I think it's called the prohibition sign. Is that right? Prohibition sign? Let's see. Oh, yes. Alright, it works, but... Oh, this one's a very accurate one. Okay, we found the right one, I guess. So, this one will be called Nothing Equipped Icon. And yes, all these will be free, so you don't have to spend any Robux or cash on them, so that's awesome sauce. But I will add some cool stuff in the future, so don't worry. Alright, so this one's going to be 255. I'll go ahead and make this fit. And there you go, perfect. That's what I like. Alright. And then I guess everything else is fine. So yeah, this one does need to be a little more updated. And then this will be 2. Alright, there you go. So this is the unequipped item. If you click on it, nothing happens at the moment, but will serve a purpose. So that is the item unequip. And yeah. And then I'll go ahead and add another one. But currently I won't do that yet. I do need to add something in here. I have to add a script in here. This one's going to be called the clicked script. I usually call these clicked strips. Oops, I misspelled click. Oopsie daisies. So yeah, you made a little mining area. Let's see what you got, man. Alright, wow, that is amazing. Got some nice looking crystals. Alright, I love that idea. Okay, but again, I do recommend unioning them, but other than that, I am pretty satisfied. I like the ladder too. Usually I union these parts, so that way it looks better than usual. Unfortunately, we can't union trusses, but we can union parts, so that's nice. We can't union mesh parts, but yeah. So the first thing I need to do is get player. Also, because it's in here, I can see why. So I'm going to go ahead and name this local player equals script dot parent dot parent dot parent dot parent dot parent dot parent dot parent. There you go. All right, then local character player dot character, or you can also do player colon character weight. This will get the character once it loads in. Then humanoid, this one will be extremely important. Local humanoid equals character, and we have to put await for child, because if we don't put await for child, it won't work. So there you go. All right, humanoid. Okay, let's start with this. Script.parent.mouse-click connect function. And then we need to put if humanoid.health is greater than 0. And then we also need to find a tool. So, and character find first child. Find first child, which is a tool. Then we need to do humanoid unequipped tools. And yes, this is actually a property for humanoids. So, little fun fact right there. But yeah, it doesn't work right now because there's no tools in the game yet. But I will add one as a test. So let's see which one we should add. All right. So I'm going to do insert surface. If you did join the stream, nice to see you. And then load asset, and then we need to type in an ID for the item. So I'm going to go to the catalog of Roblox, and I'm going to see which of these is great. All right, let's see. There's a lot of good ones. So I'm going to go to accessories and gear, and then I'll just click on apply. All right, let's see. This is just a test, so we can do any. All right. For that case scenario, I guess we can do like different music. All right. I would do any. So I'm just going to do this one right here. This one's called the Bat Scythe. It's just a test, so we probably won't use it in the actual game, but it's just a test, so don't worry. All right. Then we need to do find first child, which is a tool. .parent equals game dot starter pack. All right, and then there you go. We got the bat scythe in there. It's called the Batwing Scythe. It's now in there, so that's awesome sauce. Next thing to do is to save. Also, we got to commit all these scripts. There's only one, so that's not too bad. And then there you go. Now we'll give this a test. All right, let's see. Let's go give this a shot. All right, a little shot, I guess. All right, here we go. All right, so there we go. Oh. All right. Oh, actually, that's because of the Batwing. Okay, I see. All right. So it is now in my inventory. So as you can see, I can equip that. It's kind of broken right now, but that's actually because of R15. So yeah, I'm just wondering, what is the giveaway gonna be when you reach 1.25 thousand? I haven't decided yet, but it could be a gift card giveaway. So I might do a gift card giveaway there, or a toy code giveaway. But at the moment, we're not even at 1.1K yet. It's crazy. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so what you need to do is to click on this button, and when you click on it, your humanoid will unequip this item you have right here. So normally if I click on it, it does nothing, right? Like, just pretend I'm clicking on it, it does nothing. But I'm going to change that. So instead, we're going to unequip it by clicking on this. Yeah, that's cool. Cool stuff right there. Even VG does not know how to do this. Like, that's crazy. He'll be like, that's some crazy stuff right there. And yeah, also, why is the rover facing the wrong way again? At least the rover spawns correctly. I will appreciate that, but it's kind of broken. Look at that. The rover spawns, but it's still facing the wrong way. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention, you can equip items in the driver's seat, which is not intentional. You're not supposed to be able to do that. That will not be the case in the final game. You can't equip items in the driver. So yeah, the game's going pretty well actually. Thank you for asking. You can also press backspace. This will drop it though. Also, it is affected by gravity, so you can pick it up in the air. Like, that's cool. I love that. But I do recommend just click on this or just click on this. Both will work. So yeah. Also, this one is followed by server, so it does take a little longer because of the internet of all the players. Yeah, I have to say though, it looks pretty good. Again, I do think the crystals could be like a little more polished, but I'm pretty satisfied with the mining area. So that is that. I do like to add a new animation when you equip an item, but I'll just keep it as is. So that is that. And then yeah, so there you go. Got the thingamajiggy. And then I think the spawn is facing the wrong way. Yeah, I see why. Alright, so I'm just gonna flip it like that. There you go. And perfect sauce. And now it's working just fine. Looking good so far. Although it's not complete, looks pretty good. Alright, so that is that. Over here we got the mining area. but it doesn't serve a purpose right now, and in the final it will still not serve a purpose, but it'll be cosmetics at the moment, but looks amazing. I like that. Alright, so the next thing to do, excuse me by the way, is to add some stuff. You have to go now? Alright, well, you have a great day. Take care as well. Please take care. But currently I'm just working on this, so yeah. I may not add a tool animation. I rotated rover spawn so it spawns the right way. I actually was the one who did it, so let me explain. So as you can see, the rover should spawn that way. But yeah, thank you for that. But I do want to add some viewports so you can see like the icon of the weapon, so that's what I wanted to do. The first ever weapon in the game, I think the first after this is probably going to be the flashlight. So I'm going to add a flashlight, flashlight item button, and then it doesn't work right now, but it will work, so don't worry. Please don't worry, actually. And then I'm going to go ahead and put flashlight right here. Let's see, if you just rotate it, it probably spawns backwards again. I only rotated it one time, so yeah, because you rotated it as well. That's okay. I'll give that a shot. Alright, let's see. This is just a run, so nothing too much to worry about. Alright, just a run. I'm not actually playing it, I'm just giving it a shot. Let's see. Yeah, I see why. The rover spawns the wrong way, so... Yeah, so I rotated it, and then he rotated it, so yeah. It's backwards again. Yep. It seems that we're going to have to rotate it again. Let's see. So it has to be facing the opposite way, so I'm going to do that. Right there. There you go. Alright, now it should be facing the right way. Alright. Let's see. So looking here. Some stuff. Jailbreak is going to be a little different. Alright, there you go. The rover spawns the correct way now. But it still doesn't despawn. We will make that a feature, so don't worry. But currently, the rovers don't despawn, so that's a pretty big problem for those playing the game and are just abusing that, so we'll do something about that later, but for now, we're just going to do the stuff we can. So, here's the flashlight. There's no flashlight yet, but there is a flashlight in here, but we can't use it. I can make it an actual item, so what I'm going to do is to go inside of, I think it's rover spawner. Why is it called the rover spawner though? What's the entire model? Oh, I see. Rover spawn area. Alright, there you go. I'll just move that in here, and then go to shelf, and then flashlight, which is this one right here. Copy that, workspace, and then now I'll be able to take this, as long as it's anchored. Good. Awesome sauce. I love that. Alright, then I'm just going to go ahead and do the same increments. Unfortunately, the light didn't move, so I think I have to weld it. I'm pretty sure I have to weld it first. So I have to weld flashlight to the... Wait, why is it not working? I think it's because... oh, I have to make it inside of a tool or a model. Oops. Alright, let's go in here instead. Alright, this is just a test. Alright, we don't need this. We also do not need this up here. And then we also do not need this. There you go. Alright, we will keep that though. Alright, now it should work. Alright, I take wig. It's kind of hot in here. Let me just turn it down a little bit. There you go. Perfect sauce. Alright, so I'm going to be the one welding this. So I'm going to make a weld out of that. There you go. I have to unanchor this so that way the light follows. Do 0, 0, 0. And then I'm going to do 0, 0, 0 like that. And there we go. Now it's working just fine. So there you go, guys. Got the flashlight. The next thing to do is remove this out of there, and then I'll also name this handle. And then other than that, we're good. And then I'll make this non-collidable because you're not supposed to collide with tools. So this tool has to be made non-collidable for it to work. So yeah, and other than that, the flashlight is good. We'll also turn off the light because it's unimportant. There you go. And now the flashlight is ready. I'm just going to rename this. I will not be using item icons because I'm using Viewports. So, yeah. Besides, there's not a lot of tools in the game anyways, so it's not too much of a deal. And then we also do not want to drop items because everyone will always have the same stuff, so that's why. And obviously we just can't make a game where you can drop items as long as you want. Although that's pretty realistic, but still, we don't want too much of that. And then when a player spawns, they'll have it inside of their inventory, inside of a folder named items. That's where they get their stuff. So I'm gonna go to folder, and I'll go ahead and make this called items. It's kind of weird like this, but yeah. What should you make? We should do like outside of the area we are making, we could add some decorations like craters and some stuff. Maybe Astra impacted craters as well. Although it's gonna be really tough to do that because most of it is like going to look like this. But it's completely up to you. I like the caves. The caves are pretty good. They're kind of dark, but they're not too dark. So yeah, we could do craters. We could do something like that outside the area, but it's completely up to you. I mean, after all, this game is just the two of us, so yeah. You got an idea. All right. Hopefully your day. I hope your idea works. Please make it work. All right. Anyways, so how to viewport part Roblox Studio. Let's see. How to viewport part using viewport GUI. All right. So that. All right. Let's see. So inserts a part inside a viewport. There's a camera. And then viewport see camera. All right. Let's see. So according to that, we have to insert a script inside of this for it to work. But first of all, I need to move this. It's at 475. Maybe if I change it like 525. Let's see. All right, 525 is a little better. Nah, maybe 545. Okay, that's a little better, but that's still too much. All right, 535. Is that good? I think that's good. All right, it will fit. So if you play like on a 16:9, it's gonna look like this, and then this is what it looks like on a 4:3. This is a 4:3. iOS devices are 4:3s, for those wondering. Whoops, my phone turned off. Alright, and then, yeah, so it fits on every device, no matter which device you're playing on, it will fit. So that's awesome sauce. Although, some people will complain that the buttons are too small or too big, which is fine, but yeah, so this is the flashlight. There's going to be no icon for it. The only one we're going to have, though, is the viewport. So it's just going to be called the flashlight icon. I'm going to make a flashlight icon. There you go. And then I'll have to make it scale alongside. So there you go. Got that. Select an image object. I don't know what that is, but okay. Alright, then we just do this. 0. And just make that as usual. And then get image color, image transparency. I'll just keep it as it is. But I don't know, this object uses transparency stuff as well. Alright, I think it's like, let me look. So back over here, nothing equipped. It was half, half. Alright, half. Like that. Alright, let's try that. Half. There you go. And then, I think it's this. There we go. Perfect sauce. Alright. Then I think we could just insert these stuff in here. They're just the viewport, so nothing too special about that, I guess. And then we have to add a script in here. I think it's local. I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Is it local or regular? Let's see. Inside. Oh, it's a local script. All right, local scripts are not too bad. Although they're kind of exploitable by exploiters, but that's totally fine because they're clients. So, yeah, viewport system script. This will be the case for the rest of the items I make. So, yeah. And then I need to do local viewport camera equals instance dot new camera, and then we have to do viewport camera dot name equals and then it's going to be called, let's see, viewport camera. It's just going to be called viewport camera, and then script.parent that current camera equals viewport camera, and then the next thing to do is to parent it to there. So viewport camera.parent equals script.parent. Man, there's so much scripting. And then C-frame, viewport camera.cframe equals cframe.new vector3.new 0 to 12. This may not be accurate, but we'll try my best. Part dot, whoops, my bad. Script dot parent dot handle dot position, and there we go. Okay, and then perfect. Then I need to anchor these. Also a break. So there you go. I'll go ahead and commit the script. There you go. And then I'll go ahead and save the game. And voila. Perfect. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and play. This is a test. Hopefully the viewport works. Alright, I'm pretty new to viewports, so I'm not so well these majiggies. But let's hope it works. Alright, here we go. Let's give this a little test. Let's see. Oh, will it work? Probably, but it's probably not going to be the right spot. Let's see. Alright, it works, but it's kind of far away. It works. It works. It actually works, but it's not the right spot, so. Pretty good, pretty good. Did a pretty decent job with this. GUIs. Got the main GUI. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Main GUI dot. What's it called? Infin. Where's the? Let me find that. Oh yeah, it's this one. Inventory system frame. Dot flashlight item button. Dot viewport camera. Wait, can't detect that? Wait, what? Can't detect camera? How can it not find a camera in there? That's weird. Alright, so let me go back. Alright. It's in here. Main GUI. Aspect ratio. Inventory. Flashlight. And there's something called... Oh yeah, I forgot there was something called flashlight icon. Oops. And then viewport camera. It's not in there. What? Doesn't detect viewport camera. Viewport camera dot, I think it's C frame. Am I right? Is that C frame? And then I just need to get this. And then I literally have to do the same exact thing with all this. But it's just not too much. And I just paste it in here. Let's see. Oh, alright, it worked. Good. Now I just need to make it closer. So I think it's 1.6. Alright. Oh, it is getting closer. Awesome. Alright, that's a little better, but it's still too far away. Half, 3. Alright, it's getting closer, but still facing the wrong way. Alright, half. And that. Alright. Alright, it worked. Although I learned it looks like a sideways torch. But it works. Alright, I got it to work. I think I have to make it the opposite side, though. So instead of like... Yeah, let's see if this works. Alright. Yes! Perfect. That's what I wanted. Alright, now everything seems to be perfectly balanced. Unfortunately, this thing right here, it's kind of broken right now, but yeah, so we can change the thingamajiggy, right? Oh, we can. Alright. Oh, wait. Oh, it's facing the wrong side. Oh. There we go. Okay, perfect. I love that, but yeah, it's still kind of off. Alright, can we like change the orientation? Alright. Not too much. Just like... It looks pretty good like that. Maybe? Maybe like a little more scaled. Maybe like... Now, that's a little too weird. I love this though. This is amazing. Let's see. 1.4 maybe? And then 0.2? I want it like good accurate spot. Not just like some weird spot. Alright. And then is that okay? Is that good? The flashlight looks a little better like that. I think I'll keep it as it is. This is probably a good spot. And then we have to remove the light. The light does not function, so I see why. I'm just gonna remove the light in there, and then we'll be good. But I love it. That is amazing. Like, I love that. This is probably my first time ever making a viewport of an item. Like, that's cool. It's like programming jailbreak vehicles. That's just amazing. Just blows my mind. Alright, so then I'm going to have to do that. And what I'm going to do Let's pick out some other music we have around here. Let's see. Yeah, perfect music. All right, here we go. Something new today. Let's go check what we have. I love it. It looks amazing. Like, I love that flashlight thing. All right, let's see. Nice. Classical music and jailbreak is staying, but it's gonna be slightly updated. All right. Awesome. Love that. Classical thingamajig is staying. Nice. I love that. Awesome sauce to Asimo for doing such a great job trying their best to update the music of the game. Everything's gonna be super different compared to what it was back in the day. I miss those good old nostalgia. Yes. Alright. So that was the flashlight. It works now, but we still gotta make sure it equips it. So in order to do that... Oh yeah, I do need to add a delay, so whenever you equip an item, it just doesn't work at the moment, and then you can do it again after it's up. So I'm going to do that. There's a value in here, so that way it prevents you from abusing this. So I think it's going to be a bool one, the bool value. I think I'll name it delay occurrence. Like that. Display occurrence. Is that how you spell occurrence? Yes. Alright, good. Alright, display occurrence. Wait. Really? Is that how you spell occurrence? No? Let's see. There is another R. Okay, I see. There you go. Perfect sauce. Man, so many words kind of misspelled for me. It sucks, but we're gonna live with that. Alright. Alright. Okie dokie. Back to the first ever update of the game's history. Of this game. Alright, let's see. We gotta commit this, though. We gotta commit the script, and then we'll be good to go. Committing script. Gotta commit it. There we go. Committed this script. Now it will function as normal. Alright. So the next thing to do is to make sure that everything is balanced. We don't need a weld in here because both these are anchored, so that's why. Then we got to detect if the delay occurrence has been selected. So in order to do that, we're going to do local values equals script.parent.values. Local delay occurrence equals values.delay occurrence. Alright, and then we're going to detect if the delay occurrence is turned off, and if it is, we'll be able to equip it. If not, you have to wait. Delay occurrence of value equals false. Then yeah, this is super complex right here. Then we'll do delay occurrence equals true. Then we're gonna have to wait about half a second, and then we'll be able to do it again. There you go, false, and voila, that's how you do it. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and go in here, add a value. This time it's gonna be an object value. Man, this is super crazy. Like, look at this. Looks promising. It actually does look promising. It's not done yet, but it's something I really love to work on. Like, I love space, and I like learning about space, so this is something for me. I'm so glad I have someone with me, because if I was the only one, that would have been terrible. Alright, then I have to name this item. Is this just called item? Is that it? Item? And just select that. Go to values. Copy. Move down here. Remove the value in here. We don't need that. And then maybe I should call it item values. Is it just item values? Alright, there you go. So it doesn't get confused with this. Alright, then I'm just going to do this. Item values equals script.parent. Item values. There you go. And then local, actually I'll keep that for now. Alright, and then local item, is that value? No, it's called item. Local item equals item values dot item. There you go. Alright, and then we're going to detect if it's inside the character. If it's not in the character, you can do that. Alright, and item.parent. Okay, actually item.value. Find first child, which is a humanoid. And then I have to put not, because we have to make sure it's not in there. So if we can't find the humanoid, we can move it in there. So I'm going to do item.value.parent equals, and then what to call it? Character. So that's an obvious name. And then, yeah, and then when you click on this, the humanoid will unequip the tools, but when that happens, all of these will move these thingamajiggies to items. And I'll show you guys a trick to do that. So, in order to do that, you can do this. Alright, first thing you need to do is to type in this code. For I item in pairs, in pairs, script dot parent dot alright, good. You got get children do if item is an image button and item find first child item values. Why am I like alpha blocks? Just like making some cool stuff. Interesting. Alright, then we move that in there. So item values. Oops, that's how I spell item. Item values. Item value parent equals item. Oh no. And then that would be. Wait, we gotta make another one. Local items equals script parent. There you go. Items. So it will be moved to items. And there we go. That's how it works. Now we'll be good to go. Okay, why is the... Alright, I have to commit all these. Committing, yes. Alright, there you go. Save. Alright. Now it should work. Alright. So the flashlight is now usable, but it doesn't work at the moment because the light is turned off. I'll make it usable, but for now it's just as it is. With a little bit of magic, we'll be able to make it come to life. Alright. So far, we're going to load in. We're going to go ahead, give this a shot. Hopefully it works. I'm promising you guys it will work. Alright, here we go. Maybe an error or two, but it shouldn't be too much of a deal. Alright, here we go. It took so much time on this, so let's hope it works. Please work. Alright, the flashlight is good, and it's looking just right in the inventory, so that's nice. So the expectation is, when I click on this, nothing will happen because I don't have a tool equipped. That is true. Alright, the expectation for the flashlight, when I click on this, the flashlight should be equipped on the character, and that means I'll be holding the flashlight the correct way. Let's see. Alright, yes, it works, but I'm holding it the wrong way, which is fine. We can fix that, but I'm not actually that mad. This is the expectation. Then, if you try to click on it again, it does nothing because you already have it equipped. So in order to unequip it, you have to either press backspace, or actually if you press backspace it'll be in your backpack, so we don't want that. Or you can just click on this and then it will just move to the folder. There we go. Yes, it works! Awesome. Awesome. First try, and I got it to work already. Like, that's awesome sauce. Are you ready? Alright, let me show you guys again. Ready? There you go. It's in here. Flashlight. Oh, wait. Oh, that was in starter GUI. Oops, wrong one. I didn't mean to go there. I meant to go in here. Alright, there should be a flashlight in the items. Yeah, and then when I equip it, it's not in there anymore. Good. Then when I unequip it, it should be in there. Yeah! Awesome sauce. Man, this is fun. Man, this is so fun. Yeah, it works. It functions like that. The inventory is almost complete. Sort of, but it's still kind of messy. but it works. But I do want to make sure that we can also unequip every other item. I will do that, but it's going to be kind of hard to do, so yeah. In order to do that, I need to go ahead. Alright, it's probably the same thing as the unequipping, but it only detects the other ones except for the flashlight. So, yeah, let's see if I can do that. We need to do that. Alright, and then... Alright, so first thing I need to do is this. And then do an end, and another end. Alright. And then I need to do items. There we go. My eye hurts, I don't know why. Alright, items. Script a parent to parent, get children. Alright, there you go. And item is not script that parent. Then all these will move to items, and then the flashlight will be equipped. And it'll work. And then we have this delay occurrence, which I'll go ahead and move at the very top because we don't want any bugs, so yeah. And then this will be equipped shortly after, and then, yeah. So that is the flashlight. It is officially complete. The first ever item is complete, but we still got some issues to fix. Yeah. Alright, what do you got here today? Let's see. Anything new? Alright, it took you a little while, but let's see what we got. Alright, over here. Alright, let's see. Alright, what do we got? Oh my gosh. Is that a UFO? Ooh, amazing detail right there. While it may not be the best looking UFO, that is a really good looking UFO. I couldn't even do it in my own game. It's literally a flying disc, and this is a good looking UFO. Like, that's epic. Alright, yeah, that is really cool. I like the lights. Very good. Very good job. Love it. That's all to have, like, aliens around here as well. I might do that, but currently working on the flashlight in the inventory. But I'll get it. Maybe. But it looks amazing, I guess. Oh, there's an enhanced cone. Oh yeah, I didn't know that. That's even better. And there's a union. What's the union? Oh yeah, that was the one we did yesterday. That's right. Alright, then we have this glass, and then... What's this one? Is that the invisible part for the smoke? Oh yeah, alright. That's totally fine. That's a really good looking one. I could improve some stuff, but yeah, looks amazing. Alright, this one's not even part of the rover spawn area. Amazing. I mean, I can't wait for this game to be done by Monday. Man, it's gonna take so long, but it's gonna be amazing. I promise you guys that. So we still have like 4 days to get it done. So we spent like 3 days. You can fix it sometime if you want. Yeah, that's a good idea. Gotta modify some of the changes that we have made to our map, and then those changes are not going to be too much of a problem. And then, yeah, so I remember this being unanchored, and now it's anchored thanks to some help. Yeah, so let me go back. Now, in order to weld these tools, you go to, I think you build a rig. Alright, you build a rig. I don't care where you place it at. You go inside of this thingy right here. That's the flashlight. Move it to the dummy, and then the dummy will be holding the flashlight. And as you can see, it's not holding it the right way. So in order to fix that, we got this thing called grip forward, I'm pretty sure. And then you can like make it face the wrong way or something like that. Alright, so almost done. I think it's 0, 0, -1. Is that right? Nope, it just faces the same exact direction. Maybe it's -1, 0, 0. Nope. Alright, I think it's grip right. I'm pretty sure. 0, 0, 1. Right. There we go. Alright, much better. Not yet. It's still facing the wrong way. Holy snap. I think it's this one, right? Alright, no, didn't change that. Alright, nope. It just does that. I don't know why, but okay. Alright, that will change that. This will take a little while. I promise you guys that. I think grip POS, POS is probably the best because it's so easy to use, and it just will change the position of it, so that's my favorite thing about that. This is kind of dissatisfying. I could probably break the tool, but that's only if I'm not careful. Alright. Yeah, the tool kind of looks a little worse, like that. I don't know, it just keeps doing that instead. Gotta make sure it faces the right way. Alright, either does that, or I don't know. What's with this tool, man? Alright, let's see. I'll do the POS later, but I want to do this right now. Just faces the wrong way every single time. It just doesn't like me, I guess. Oh! Alright, well that's a little better, but it ain't facing the right way still. Okay, now it's facing down. And if I make... Oh, it faces sideways. It's facing the wrong way again. Holy snap. And then it did it again. No. Oh, goodness. Let's see. Nope. No. Let's see. Maybe this? No, it didn't work. Let's see. Ah! Oh, I thought the tool's gone. That'd been funny if it disappeared. Alright, -1, 0, 0. Oh, it worked! Perfect! Awesome. That's what I wanted. Let's make it like that. And then now we got this to deal with. I wanted to scale properly with the player. There we go. Alright, a little better. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I forgot that the flashlight was supposed to be facing downward. It's not this. Because now it's going to look like a torch. Just realized that. Nice to see you, by the way. Tesla Model S. It's a nice name, actually. Nice to see you. Currently working on this flashlight, which is kind of messy, but it's worth it. Alright, there you go. And then I'll go ahead and a boy avatar. Which Roblox character has a boy avatar? Boy bund. I think Creekcraft does, right? Creekcraft. Star Code Real Creek with a jacket. A nice looking jacket, by the way. Alright, let's see. Star Code Real Creek. Holy snap, that's a tall man. And he has a jacket on, but the jacket is broken. He's just wearing a... Oh no, no it's not. Alright. I think they fixed the layer of clothing so it scales properly. Didn't they? I don't think so, but... Alright. Oh, it's called the open shirt. What? Open shirt? What happens if I move? And there's a hamster. Wait a minute. Oh no, it doesn't? What? Alright, you know what? Let's just... Yeah, we got the tall hamster and we got Creekcraft. Alright. Let's see if it scales. Alright. Creekcraft is now holding the flashlight, and it seems that the flashlight is not being held correctly. On Creekcraft, at least. And there's Mr. Hamster. I don't know what Mr. Hamster's up to. Alright, let's see. So I want to make sure it's, like, on Creekcraft's hand. The only problem, though, is that the flashlight is probably going to be held wrong. It's the only problem, but it's not too much of a deal. I'm just going to make it positive. Is it positive? Alright, good. It is positive. So while Creekcraft may not be holding it right, it will still not look that terrible. Why is he not wearing jeans, though? That's weird. Alright, Creekcraft is now holding it correctly. A little better. Although it's still kind of messy. It's kind of glitching out, but it's not as bad as it was. Alright, let's see. Do it again. Maybe scale a little bit outside, like this. Okay, that's a little better. Maybe not by a lot, but maybe like that. Maybe. This is just avatars. I don't know how you can go for that, but if the dummy was holding it, this is what it would look like. Yeah, it's not too bad, I guess. Yeah, I think I'll keep it like that. It's not too bad if you ask me. Alright, so that was the thingamajiggy. The next thing to do is to add some sound to the flashlight as well as the functionality. So in order to do that, first of all, let me move these. I don't need those. Alright, so what I usually do is add a script inside and then I just add some functionality. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'll go ahead and name the scripts. I have not done this before. That's what I'm going to do anyways. I'll make a regular script so everyone can see this. I'll call this the functionality script. Is that how you spell functionality? Like that? Yes, alright, awesome. Awesome sauce. Alright, functionality script. Then we just need a click sound. So in order to do that, we need to go to audio. We do not want that. Click. Clicked. Let's do clicked. Hopefully none of them are copyrighted. Alright, let's see. Which one's a good one? I'm gonna try this one. Let's see. Flashlight clicked sound. It would be at the very back, but it's totally fine. Alright, it's so quiet though. Can we make it a little louder? Let's try this. It's not too bad. Maybe a little quieter. I don't want too much noise. Alright, nothing. It's not too bad, I guess. And we need to get handle. So it's this. And then local flashlight clicked script equals handle. That. Wait, why did I type flashlight clicked script? I meant to type in flashlight clicked sound, not flashlight clicked script. What did I just... What? I just typed in script and not sound. Hello, Mr. Vince. Hello. Nice to see you. If you have joined, I hope you have a great day. I'm sorry if I didn't read yours, but nice to see you. Local flashlight light bulb equals script dot parent that flashlight light bulb. Perfect. And then I need to do local light source, not W. Light source equals flashlight light bulb dot light source. Then script dot parent dot activated connect function. And then we're gonna detect if light source is turned on. So if light source dot enabled equals false, then flashlight clicked sound play, and then light source dot enabled equals true. Oh yeah, another thing. The light bulb has to be off, so I'm gonna make it metal by default, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do flashlight light bulb dot material equals enum dot material dot neon, and then that's it. That's all we have to do. And then if the opposite happens, if it's true, then these two will be changed. The sound will stay the same, so it'll be metal. But if we unequip the tool, regardless if it's on or not, whether which one you pick, which one you decide, the flashlight will always turn on. Although I can make some changes, but this is just the first time I'm working on a flashlight, so awesome sauce. Alright, so that is the flashlight. I'm going to commit these scripts first of all. The audio that I'm using should be just fine because it's less than 6 seconds, so yeah, it shouldn't be too much of a deal. It should be perfectly fine. Yeah, it's good. I think it's only the audio that is less than 6 seconds long, so that's good. Unless if it's made by me or someone else that is using it in their game, then it's also usable. So yeah, so what I need to do, let me go right here. Alright, just do not. Alright, so there you go. Just gonna wait for this to be done. And it shouldn't take too long. Let's see. It's gonna take a little bit. There you go. Alright, the flashlight should work now. Alright, here we go. Alright, there's the flashlight. I didn't disable the inventory yet. As you can see, it's not on. If I click on it, it should work. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. It works. Works just fine. So it now has functionality. Although it's kind of kind of awful right now, but it's better than it was, I guess. Oh, it's not the floor though. It looks amazing. I love the road. I love the road. It looks amazing. Here's the inside, for those wondering. We do need to adjust this light source a little bit, but other than that, that's looking awesome. Amazing. Okay, so we can adjust this a little bit, make it a little wider. So instead of like 20, maybe 80? I mean, it's a little too much, but I want it so that way the flashlight expands the light, not just, yeah, just straight line. I think 80 is fine. 80 looks just fine, I guess. Considering the spotlight, yeah, that's pretty good. No bugs, but the light source should be a little more adjustable, so, yeah. And there's the rover, I was wondering. It works just fine. You can see, it sounds like an actual rover, I guess. Although it doesn't really sound like an actual rover, it works. And then we can, like, drive over the mines, and we could just have some fun with this car. And I might use the new camera system for this game because I think they like that more than the OG one, so I guess I can see why. So I'll keep it as it is. Yeah, so it's like I'm presenting a presentation during school where I showcase the game itself. Like, that's crazy. Alright. So this is just a test of the rover. And then I'm also going to use my flashlight while driving a rover, which is not intentional. It's turned on. If I unequip it and re-equip it, it's off, as you can see. So regardless, it's always off. And then we're just going to fly again. Yeah, that's so fun to drive. This rover is just so funny, but also kind of amazing. Like, if you have the chance to drive this rover in the game, you're going to have a lot of fun with this, I promise you that. Unfortunately, though, you can fall off the map, so I will try to do something about that. We can add a barrier to prevent players from falling off the map. It's not too much of a deal, but I think a barrier is more ideal than just falling off the moon. But I don't know how long it's going to take till we do make it to the end. We should add shift to sprint. I was thinking the same thing, actually. Maybe we should add that. We should, actually. Like a running system? That's a very good idea. Is that the end? Oh, that is the end. Alright. Oh my gosh, there's so many caves over here. We should explore these caves. But we're gonna fall to our oof. So, we can't make it, sadly. That's okay. At least it was the best shot we can make. Just kidding. Gonna... Whoa, wait, what? Oh, wait, I'm still falling? I was still falling. I was still falling to my demise. What? Okay. So gravity may not always be the best, but it's fine. Alright, yeah, that is actually a good idea. We should add shift to sprint. Very good idea. But in order to do that, we're going to need to... I think it's inside the starting scripts. There will be a run button, but I don't know where it's going to be at. Maybe like in the bottom left or bottom right. I think it'll be in the bottom right because the mobile joystick is on the bottom left, so I think I see why. So if I add one over here, it'll be a little more ideal, although it's kind of messy, but should be just fine. But currently I'll be working on the inventory, so maybe after my inventory is done, I'll go ahead and work on that. Okay, so there are still some adjustments I have to make for the flashlight, and then I'll be good to go. So when the flashlight is equipped, it will also... Wait, why does it play the sound when it equips? I don't want that. No, thank you. I want it when it equips itself, the flashlight will turn off and won't work. And I might add a delay. So I think I'll call local delayed equals false. And then when you equip it, delayed equals true. And delayed equals false. But yeah, you just test it in a cave. Delayed equals false. There you go. Alright, what do we got here? The flashlight needs a little more range because it barely shows anything. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. Yeah, the flashlight definitely needs a bigger range. Maybe like 80, at least. Maybe 80. I think 80 is a good number for the flashlight. And a little more brightness, maybe 3. So that way it's a little brighter. But other than that, yeah, not too much, but Should be a pretty decent amount. And then I'll go ahead and do the same stuff. I'm going to do a delay. Delay equals false. And I added these weights so that way it's not too elusive. There you go. Now the functionality of the flashlight should work. So I think this will be final, the flashlight, and then we'll move on to the second ever item in the game. But I do not know what it is yet. I think it's going to be a shotgun, but I don't know. Actually, it can't be a shotgun because this game is supposed to be a moon game, so obviously we can't do a flashlight, the thingamajiggy. Alright, so I think the next thing we can do is add a weapon. And it works now. Alright, yep, I fixed it. Alright, so it was 535, this one was 475, so that was 860. Alright, so if we do 475, so that'll be 405. Right? Oh no, that's not. No, it's 415. Oops. Alright. Alright, so we gotta figure out what to name this. Also, you gotta commit the script. So I'll be the one. It says shotgun. We should make a laser gun. Yeah, that's a good idea. Laser gun. Awesome sauce. But what should a third one be? There should be a total of 4 items in the game at the start. I think third one could be like maybe binoculars, maybe. I don't know how binoculars are gonna work, but pickaxe. That'd be funny. What do you think? Sword or something? Yeah, we could do a sword. All right. Let's see. Are there any space fiend swords on Roblox? Space fiend. I think there are some swords of their space fiend, so that's a pretty smart idea. Let's see. Well, Roblox immediately showed all the gears in my recommended page. Like, that's weird. Roblox likes gears, so they decided to promote them in my recommended. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna show them. Show the ones that we can't get. Let's see, space. Alright, let's see. Space! Space! Alright, let's see. Intergalactic Sword. Oh, I just found the one I wanted to use. Alright, well, that's nice. Alright, so, wait a minute. Maybe when you equip an item, it shows the tooltip for a couple seconds and then disappears. That's pretty smart, but I won't do that yet. Okay. Intergalactic. That's not how you spell intergalactic. It's like cactus. Alright. Intergalactic Sword. There you go. Alright, that's how you spell it. Alright, then I need to do... Let's see, the ID is 170903617. Alright, there you go. Then you got the sword here. It's called Space Sword, which is a nice name for us. Intergalactic Sword. There you go. And then we don't need a texture. We don't use textures on items in this game, actually. Because viewports are much easier to manage. Alright, so we have this intergalactic sword. And we can deal damage to our opponents. I'll do something about this, but... Oh yeah, we do need to change it to a mesh part. We do not use ordinary parts with meshes. Because those are just, yeah, classical days. We gotta use the new modern technology. So I'm gonna use a mesh part instead. It'll be called handle. Move the mesh out of there, move it to handle. It won't change it actually. And then I'll go ahead and set the mesh ID to this. Perfect. Now it looks like a real intergalactic sword, but it needs a texture. There we go, perfect. So now that the intergalactic sword is here, let's make sure everything is adjusted. There you go, 6 and 2. Alright, so it doesn't really change. Alright, maybe glass or metal. Let's see, what does it look like metal? It doesn't look too bad. Maybe glass, I suppose. And then we'll make it non-collidable, and then not anchored, and then also make it massless, so it doesn't get affected by the thingamajiggies. And I'll move that in here, and then change the flashlights stuff in here to massless as well. And then, yeah. There you go, massless. The next thing to do is to move the handle in here. What's this? Nah. We don't want that. What's with that stuff anyways? The words? They're kind of weird. Alright, then we'll put this in here. Spot handle. Let's see, monetization. YouTube does not like increasing my public watch hours. That's just so weird. Alright, let's see. Where's the, is it in permissions? Filters? Filters. Yes. What is it? All of this? Yes. I'm gonna block that. Block that. And get it out of there. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, that's much better. Now they can't say that bad thing. Yeah. Alright. So this one is the Intergalactic Sword. Did I just misspell sword? Oops, I didn't mean to misspell that. Alright, sword. Alright, there you go. And, viewport system. I think I'll keep it the same. Alright, let's see. More great moves. The money check music is staying. Let's see. Let's see. Awesome. I have never used strawberry markers in a long time, so I don't even know what the money check music sounds like. Alright, so I'll be using my system from Life on the Moon for this one. And this time it's not the same. So instead of flashlight, it's going to be the Intergalactic Sword. Where is it at? Oh, I think it's just the same. Alright, well, that's good. Alright, so I'll give this a shot. A little shot, I guess. So you know about it. Alright, let's see. Let's give this a shot. Alright, is here like a tutorial how to make nice, neat roads, Roblox Studio. Let's see. How to make nice roads on Roblox. How to make nice roads, how to make nice roads. Let's see. Just gonna find a nice looking video on how to make nice roads. Get a car and use it to scale the road. Holy snap, that's epic. Wait, what? What's that? Oh, let's see. Holy snap. What's that plugin? Holy snap, that plugin looks cool. Let's see what it is. What's this? Alright. Oh, this is nice. Alright. There's the sword. It's kind of weird looking, but it works. So I need to go over here. I need to change this to Intergalactic Sword. You don't want... Get out of here. I don't want that. No thanks. I just want Intergalactic Sword and that's it. Intergalactic Sword. And then change that to, oh yeah, smile time. Smile time. Smiley time. Time to smile Thursday. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh yeah, my thingamajiggy turned off. Oops. Since they are bots that put links to scam stuff, yeah, I can agree with you. Luckily though, I muted that thingamajiggy, so it should not be too much of a problem. I just realized that the thingamajiggy was turned off for some reason. So I'm sorry for those watching. I really do apologize. It happens sometimes. I think I have to make it so close, like, how close, wait. It works, but what is it supposed to be at? Wow. And yeah, it's not, it's so far away, like, it works now. I can use the flashlight. Holy snap. Alright, but that's actually really good. That's a really good looking flashlight too. It has been adjusted a little bit. It has a delay, so awesome sauce. This sword doesn't work right now, but it works. I love it. This is amazing. Like, do I have to increase the size of the sword itself in the viewport? Because it's kind of bad right now. Kind of awful. Alright, let's see. Inventory. Intergalactic. There's the handle. I think I have to slightly increase the size of it. Maybe like, let's see. 1, 12, 20, 24. Let's see. Okay, that worked a little better. Okay, now it looks like a pile of junk. I don't know why. Alright, let's see. I think it's 0.75, 9, 1.8. Alright, that doesn't look too bad. but it still looks ugly. Maybe it's 2. Nope, that just makes it worse. Alright, let's see. I think I have to like... Let's see. Scale this a little bit. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad now. But it still looks ugly. I think I have to do 0, 0, 0. Alright, 0, 0, 0. Maybe like 0.1. No, that just increases the view of it. No, I don't want that. Now, let me guess. This one will just, yeah, move it to the side. Why does it look so bad? It's kind of awkward. Alright, let's see. Then I just do, like, maybe, let's see, 5, and then 2. Oh, I got an error. No, just, thank you. Thank you, God bless. Alright. It's almost done, but it still looks kind of ugly. No joke. Alright. Something new? Alright, now, let's see. Alright. How do I make it rise up a little bit? How am I supposed to do that? Holy snap, it's so far away now. Wait, did I have to make it closer like that? Dang, this is so difficult. Dang, like, it's kind of confusing. Yeah, let's see. 7. Maybe like that, I guess. Maybe? A few more, I guess. Let's see, 6, 7. What? Oops. Maybe 10. Ah, nope, that's much worse. 2. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad like that. Maybe I'll keep it like that, I guess. I mean, it's worth a try. So, it works just fine. I want to try out that new plugin. It's called, what's this? About the new update? Let's see. It's called, let's go to plugins for this. Alright. It's called the, Archimedes version 3.1.6. Let's see. Oh, there it is. It's free. And it's made by a verified user. I'll give this a shot. Alright. So I have to install it. Just click on it. Oh, it's already being installed. Okay. How long will it take till it's done? Like, how long? Just gonna give it a shot. Alright, what do we got here? Alright, what's this supposed to be? It's all of the decorations and stuff, but... yeah, it would be cool to put NPC aliens that tag you. That's very, very cool. Wait, why can I not install this plugin, though? That's weird. This plugin hates me. How am I supposed to download this? Roblox! How am I supposed to download this plugin? You don't even allow me to download it? Like, what? Darn it, Roblox. Roblox hates me. They don't allow me to download a plugin. Like, it's so easy to download a plugin, yet you don't allow me to do so? And that's not the right folder. Oops. Like, update. Oh yeah, I got to update some of this stuff. How am I supposed to download a plugin? If I try to install it, it does nothing. Look, I'll show you. It does nothing. Maybe what I need to do is to leap out of this place. I'll go back and try again. Let's see that. Oh, the plugin actually received very positive reception. 1.9 thousand compared to the 97 dislikes. That is actually really good. That's amazing. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and just go to this game. It's just called Test from December 19th. It's like making this RPG game. I haven't updated in a long time, so I don't know how well this game goes. It was scrapped, so yeah. Pretty cool, actually. Alright, so I need to go over to here. Can I download a plugin now, please? Please let me download a plugin. Alright, it's called Archimedes. Oh, there's another one. This one's slightly more popular. Let's see. Nope. Roblox refuses to let me download this. What is wrong with Roblox? How am I supposed to download this? It doesn't allow me to. Do I have to view it in the browser? Something? Let's see. Can't download plugin. Roblox Studio. Alright, do I have to go to the website? Plugin's not installing. Best program to still and see Roblox using the town thing. See. Item owned? Wait, what? Let's see. Alright. Alright, what the, guys? Some of these people are like, yeah, it's so bad. Alright. Let's do this. Let's download this again. Alright, it has to check for Studio. Checking for Roblox Studio. Get started. Alright, let's see. Now will it work? Please. It's crying out loud. I want it to work. Alright, let's see. Will it work this time? If it doesn't load, I don't know what's gonna load. Roblox, please, let me download the plugin. It's not that hard. Why is it not installing in the first place? Like, what did I do wrong? I did nothing wrong to Roblox. And it's like, yeah, you're not downloading that plugin, sorry. Alright, let's see. And then this guy was like, oh, I owned it, but it doesn't let me have it. Is that true, though? Oh, it was true. I got it 6:11. Oh, it was a minute ago. I think I got it now, didn't I? Didn't I get it? It's not in here. Wait, what? That's weird. Roblox is so crazy these days. So let me download a plugin. I just want to download a plugin. That's not so hard. Yeah, it's not in here. Like, what? Alright, let's see. Oh, wait. Yeah, discard, please. Thank you. Roblox 2 opened in a new tab. I don't know. No. I clicked on the wrong one. Ah, no. Alright, this one. No, please. Windows 11 kind of sucks sometimes. So it turns out that I do own it, but not in a good sort of way. Also got some 3 Robux. How did I get 3 Robux? Where did I get it at? Was it group? No, it wasn't group. How? Some 3s. Sales of goods. Nothing. Right. How did I even get some Robux? I got 3 Robux out of nowhere. Like, what? Alright, let's see. Alright, back on topic. So, the plugin should have been downloaded by now. And what is this? Alright. Let's see. Did it work? That's what I do sometimes. Clapping my hands like that. Not copyrighted, by the way. Alright, let's see. Finding that crazy update that blasted life from the moon into space. We're just not worried about houses. We just worry about the moon itself. Nah, that's not the right update. Where's that? Where's that update that is reliable? What? Nah, that's not the update. Where's that first ever update that? No, that's not the right one. No. Just want that first ever update. Life from the moon history. No. That's not the right update, please. You fixed the road? Alright, let's see. Yeah, you did kind of fix the road a little bit. Wait. Is it actually fixed? Oh, that is a lot better. Love the road now. Let's see, how did they manage to do that? Holy snap, he used so many wedges. Wow. Crazy. Crazy stuff. Alright, well that's one way to fix the road. Yes. Kinda weird, but somehow works. Alright. But let's be real. It's really hard to make the sidewalk and the road look a lot better than they do before. Let's be honest. So I do own it now, but it still refuses to let me install it. Wait. Oh! Okay, now I got 3D text 2? More like 3D text 1.0.0. First ever version. Just kidding. Please don't take it too seriously. This is a joke. This is a joke. Yeah, what's with some problems? Oh yeah, I remember having this. It's called Realism Mod. So many people love this. I think it was nice. This will. Tool grip editor for 5 Robux. Paint on click. Road defender. Wait, what? There's a brush tool. There's a mono resize. Celeste. Your body. Dragger. You can drag the stuff. All right, let's see. Unable to load. Finish installing. Yeah. All right, how do I do this? Render all 35. This is so much complex than what I expected. Alright. I love the sidewalk, but the sidewalks are not even at the road's fine, but keeps filtering. Keeps filtering. I love the road, but I don't know. I don't know, man. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's do this. It's just test, so nothing too important. Please don't make it too important. Alright. So here's the part, alright? Pretend it's here. I think you select it. How do I use this? You launch this? Angle. Wait, what? Wait, what? Let's see. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z, X. Alright, let's see. Flip. Nah. Alignment, middle, outside, inside. Alright, let's see. Swap sides. Nah, just keep it as it is. Render, render? Do I just... Wow. Whoa! You can make a circle out of this. Okay. So we got ourselves a full-made circle out of all these. This was a test, so please don't be too surprised about that. But it works. So now the question is, do I delete all of this? Actually, I won't delete this. This is just, how am I gonna do this? If the path is in the way, how do I do something about that? Maybe like, what the? Nah. This game is full of some of the weirdest stuff ever. Just kidding, it's not too weird. Alright. Let's see, so I want to add a new road, but with some improved stuff. Why does it look like that? Oh, I think I have to... Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I see. What is it called? Perfect! That's what I wanted. Road. Alright, so I want the road. Alright, gonna make it flat for a little bit. And then make it, yeah, just fun stuff. Alright. The road. Road to 1.25k subscribers. In the future. That may happen. Alright, let's see. The first thing I want to do is scale it all the way down to like that. Plop. Alright, then I just need to scale this, and done. Alright, perfect. Should scale. Hopefully. It's okay. It's not too bad, but it looked a little better, I guess. What? Wait. Alright. Now it looks perfect. Weird logic right there, but okay. Glass. We get glassy. And we get the road. What I like. Yeah. This is what I like about the moon. Adding some futuristic stuff to the game. Just makes it realistic. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so this is going to be our road. Road to spaceship. There's the spaceship. I don't want that. No, thank you. Alright, let's see. Oh, I thought someone said something. There's the spaceship. Maybe I'll adjust it a little bit. Maybe, like, make it a little better. Not too much, but, you know, make it a little more adjusted. The spaceship has been updated multiple times in its history. So I'm going to move it a little further from the thingamajiggy. Not too much. Maybe 108. And then 130. Maybe like that. Something like that, I guess. Let's see. So, I think the road should lead to the staircase, although it's going to be pretty tricky to perform it. It's at 157. Excuse me. Alright, let's see. So I think I should do that with this one as well. So, my goal is to get this road to face this way. So, let's see. It's at 111. I want it, like, more... Like I said, I think I can do that. Alright, so plugins... Alright, Archimedes. This thing right here. What the? Why does it look so different now? Oh, I see. Okay. So I wanted to go to the left. Alright, let's see. Well, now it looks a little more ugly. Left. Left. I can't change it. What? I can't change these. What? Oh. Oh, okay. What's that? Was it 30? No, it was 46. It was 46. There you go. It's the face like that. And then enabled. Yes. If we disable it, it's just going to disappear. Inside, middle, outside. No. Flip this. No, that's not right. Swap sides. Good. What I like about this is that you can, like, change them and stuff. No, offset. Oh, there's an offset right here. Can I do, like, maybe 20? Alright, that does not work. Z? No. What am I supposed to do? 1. Oh, I don't want to render it yet. It's kind of complex, but I think it's feasible. Here, let's see. Oh, I'm gonna do this. So we got all this. Oh, you select the... Oh! I think that's why. I can't change the face still. Okay, you can do that. I did not know that. Personally, I'll go for this. It's kind of hard to do it, but it's possible. Alright, so it's about 46. Flip axis. Swap sides. No, that's not a good idea. Swap sides. Alright, I'm gonna do this. 10. 10. No, negative 10. Yeah, that's probably the best idea. Probably the weirdest idea I ever came up with as well. 70. Negative 70. Almost done. We just got some measuring to do. Measuring's fun. Alright, let's see. 60, 75, 77, 76. 76? 76? Wow, that's actually really good. I think that is the most accurate I've done. Maybe we should render to that. But there's a problem. 69, 65, 64, 60, 50. Is it 50? 50? 50. I think so. Let's see. May think it's negative 55. No, 51. Alright, let's see. 52 and a half. You can't do decimals. Oh yeah, you can't do decimals. That's okay. Alright, let's see what happens if I render like that. What? You just... Render all 6. Oh, okay. Okay, the game feels kind of silly. Ah, now I got worse. Just, at least one road is fine. Please no more than the ones we have. Yeah, this is fine. Alright, let's see. Go to that video that showed how to make a road. Let's see. How to make the perfect roads. No. Alright. Let's see. This guy did it. I don't know how he did it. I think you just like... Maybe it's like that. Maybe it's like... Just, yeah, I did it right, but... Alright. Okay. Whoa, what the? Alright. I think I completely broke this, didn't I? Kind of ridiculous. Maybe it's just 0, 0. Just make everything 0, 0. And then swap sides. Man, it's so sad. How am I supposed to do this? Flip axis. Man, the roads these days are gonna kind of tough. Maybe you have to scale this a little bit less. I think it's because it's outside. I think I'm gonna need to angle it a little better. Like 0? 90? Oh, 180. Yeah. Okay. Then I just need to make it like 1. 1. No, negative 1. I can't do negative? Oh, I can. Never mind. Okay. It didn't even do anything. 5, 10. Just like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, maybe 6. Alright, then I just need to click on render. 1, 2. What? We don't want that. No, thank you. Alright. It was just gonna go flip-flop, flip-flop every single time. Sorry, guys. How am I gonna do this? Do I just... Yeah, it's just gonna go flip-flop every single time. That's not what I want. I don't want to flip-flop. Is there a reason why it does that? Man, this is so challenging. I think it's because it's set to 180 degrees. I think that's why. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. It's kind of silly, but it's as it is, I guess. Alright. Now, how am I going to scale like this? At the right angle. Like that. What am I supposed to do? Like this. Now it's literally touching the stair. It just doesn't look right. Like that. Alright, let's see. Maybe like this. Alright, well, at least I tried. I tried my best. I used a certain plugin for it. Alright, let's see. Is that good? Okay, well, I mean, I'm gonna admit, it's fine, even if it's not perfect. It's the best we could do. I still regret doing this. Alright, so I think it's like, where was it at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, the roads are probably my least favorite part about this development, because they're kind of hard to do. So, yeah, and then I could just add these roads, and then I think we can do like a angle. Is it 15? Oh, it's trying to go up. Why is it trying to go up? I want to go left. It's trying to go to the wrong side. I think you have to pitch it up. Now it just doesn't let me do this correctly. Let's see, 20. Okay, perfect. That's what I want. Exactly. Alright. But I still want to keep doing this until we get to the part where we can do that. Alright, so like, maybe at least that much. Alright, then I can do a turn. No, a little more. More. A little bit more. Alright, 25 is fine. Alright, perfect. And then, let's see. So that one was 134. We need to get to 157. Is that right? 157? Whoa, what was it? Yeah, 157, positive 157. Why is it a negative? Alright, that's fine. So I think it's about 23, but apparently it's not facing the right way again. That sucks. What a bummer. This is a pain. Like, look at this. Sometimes it works just fine, and other times it doesn't. I can't change the face. So yeah, sometimes it's a pain, other times it's easy. Like, now I feel like this is just a pain in the... I don't get it. Alright. It's random sometimes. Now it's trying to go the wrong way. No thanks. Alright, let's see. If I delete that, it just does that. Alright. Alright. It's doing the same thing as it did before. It's trying to go up, but we don't want that. We just want to go over there. So it may not be exact, but it's the best we could do. Alright, so yeah, and you can do 0, do that all the way till we get to the stairs. Perfect. So even if they're not exact, it should be good. Okay, it seems that I did it right a little bit. What are the angle for the stairs exactly? If it's not the same, then... Alright. Yeah, it's 157. This is negative 111. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, I see why. So I did it right, but it's not facing the right way. What angle was it supposed to be? To face the stairs. Because 23 was 111, so I think it's negative 23. But the problem is, it's going the opposite, so... While this works, they don't face the right way. So maybe I have to flip them over and try again. Because they're facing the opposite from what I expected, so... Maybe like that. So maybe I'll flip the part over like that, and I'm going to give that a shot this time. Let's see. It may not be the best, but it's the best I could do. All right, let's see. So I'm going to do top. Let's see where we go here. This is a pain, but it's possible. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Where does this face go? Oh, we went the opposite way. I don't want that. Let's see. No. Flips wise. Yes. Yes. That's what I want. Yes. Okay, that's what I wanted. 21. Not negatives. Positives. Alright, now the biggest obstacle is to make it face the right way. I'm going to do maybe another one. Alright, I think that's enough. Alright, let's see. If I do 136, it's going to face this way. And I don't want that. So how do I make it face there? Wait a minute. What was the floor? Let's see, it was 111. It was 111. Wait a minute. It was 111. Okay, all these are 21. So this one has to be 111. Okay, that makes sense. So it's back to the original. Alright, let's see. This is more of a stream where I try to fix the road to improve visuals, but turns out that the road looks like a nightmare to fix. Being honest. Alright. So then I need to do the scaling again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Then I need to go over here, plugins, and then launch. And then gotta make sure they're facing the right way. Nope. Turns out they're facing the wrong way. If only I could change the face, but can't do that, unfortunately. I think you just have to click on the specific part of the road. Is that why? No, it just faces the top. Why does it want the top, though? That's weird. I want this piece, not the top. How am I supposed to change that? I don't think it's possible. So it wants me to do that, but I don't want to do that. Oh, here we go again. They're trying to bypass that. That won't work. Nice try. Sorry. That won't work on me. Guess I can mute it. I muted it again. Yeah, muted that word. We don't want to hear that again, please. Alright, let's see. What can we do? No. No. What? It needs to face this way, not this way. What am I supposed to do? I can't make it like that. I don't want that. What am I supposed to do now? Maybe it's Z? Oh, yeah. It's Z, not X. Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, big shout out to myself for figuring this out. Then I need to set it to 46. But the problem is it's gonna be stuck in there. No. No, that's not right. Y'all? Is that y'all? Okay, and then I just have to flip it. No. Sides. No. Yes. But the problem is, it's facing the wrong way. No! This is a terrible nightmare. Yes. Yes. This is what I like. But, maybe like, starting with, what's 20 feet divided by 2? It's 11 and a half. Hey, 11 and a half, can I do that? You can! Okay, nice. I love that. It's awesome. Render. Alright, so that's 11 and a half. We have a 23. That, and a 46. Alright, so we have, let's see, we have a 122 and a half, a 134, and then we have a 45 and a half, and then we have 57. Alright, awesome. Now, we just got the rest of this to do. So now, we can scale this to the rest, and then we're finally done with the road. Yes! I did it! This was so hard, and it took, I think, a half hour to do. Thank you. Appreciate it. Man, half hour's worth of hard work Finally, after so long, we got it done. Unfortunately, the glitching occurs, but we can fix it, so it's not too hard to fix, but I'm still extremely proud of myself for doing this. Like, it's been awful. So yeah, there we go, guys. The road is officially complete with some glitching. I will fix it, don't worry. But I'll keep it as is for now. I'll fix the glitches later. The glitches will be fixed. And I can't believe it. I just did it. It's my first time. Alright, then we have the sidewalk. The sidewalk will be the same as it was before. Maybe a little different, but not too different. So yeah, I can't believe we finally did this. It looks a lot better than jailbreak stuff. Like, jailbreak roads kind of look a little lumpy, but they're okay. Alright. So we have the sidewalk next. And they're a little different. Not too different, but they're just... They used to be a little wider, but they ended up looking like that now. Why is there another sidewalk right there? Alright. It's probably not a good idea to scale the sidewalk like that. I just want it to, like... Yeah, a little bit again. Because if we do it a little too big, it's probably going to ruin it, so sorry. Well, yeah, that's a good idea, but I'll add, like, these short baddies. Put them right here. Alright, so, like, this. Alright, so, like... Yeah, and then we can do the same thing. It's going to take some time, but it's possible. Let's go back to the, launch. Alright, there you go. Let's do the same thing. Alright. Wait a minute. What was the size of the original road? Lots of sidewalk would make it more laggy. That is true. But I'm planning to union all of the sidewalks. So that's my mission. So that way we can preserve performance and help save performance. So this one I think was 18.5. So I think I have to do the same thing, right? No, it was 12.7. 12.7. 12.7. There we go. Okay, 12.7. Yeah, I will agree that there's going to be a lot of lag, but I will union them all so that way they don't glitch. So that's why I'm going to be doing this for now. But that's a good suggestion. Alright, then I have to do the same thing as before. 11.5. 11.5. But we have to make it face the right way. Nah. It's Z. We're going to do X. Just kidding, we're not doing X. This. We're going to do that instead. Wait, was it 11.5? Yeah, it was. Alright, so we have to do this. That. It may not look perfect, but... something's not right. Alright, so from here to this... Alright, that's right. Why does the sidewall look so wrong like that? What is this? The sidewalk looks a lot worse. Man, what's the sidewalk doing there? Like, why does it look much worse in the view? Maybe I just have to duplicate the road and just paste it in from that. Oh, that won't be a good idea. Definitely not a good idea, but it's worth a shot. It might work. Wait. I think it will work, I don't know. I think I'm going to need a lot more sidewalks. Sorry. It's going to probably kill a lot of performance. So I'm going to have to do the same thing as I did. Delete these roads. Just kidding. Delete the sidewalks. And then add all these roads. Actually, I'll just be copying them. Go ahead and name them sidewalk. And then, yeah, just do diamond plate. And just, yeah, ghost gray. Skip a little bit, which I'll do later. Okay, why are all the sidewalks not here anymore? It's weird. Alright. I will do the first one over here. Where's the first sidewalk? Is it the last one? Alright, no. Alright, good. Because it's not supposed to be the last one. Alright, I think it'll work. Maybe. Just my imagination. Thinking that will work. As intended. Let's see. It doesn't fit well with the road, but it's just on the thingamajiggy. Alright, let's see. Alright, so we can do this right here. Let's see. It should line up with the road. Yeah, it does. Alright, good. Then I'm going to scale up a little bit, so that way it doesn't match with the road. Maybe about that much, because the rovers could see some potholes not done properly. And then the same thing with the others, but I won't spend too much time on that. So just mainly focus on Sidewalk itself. Alright, there you go. Made it so you one could front of the space thruster. Oops. Let's see, thrusters on here. Maybe I'll advance that so it's like collection surface. Wait, what's the soy sauce doing here? Oh, I forgot the soy sauce. Oh man, the soy sauce is floating. Poor soy sauce. We gotta do something with it. Still gonna be an Easter egg. We don't want to forget about Beachy's cool looking suggestion of adding soy sauce to life. Not life. Discovery of the Moon. We're gonna keep that in again. Alright, so we're just gonna add. Yeah, it's just the same old stuff. Let's see. So the problem was the sidewalk was not facing the right way. It caused the road to collide with the sidewalk, which caused some problems. So I don't know if the same thing's gonna happen on here. It may happen, but hopefully it doesn't. So we'll try it out. So there's the originals. Alright, where was the sidewalk that was leaning towards that one? Alright, we don't want that one. Let's see, so one over there. No, that's the new. Alright, old. Alright, keep that one. Keep it. Keep. Alright, those are the new ones. Old. Alright, there it is. Alright, so this one is right. I think we have to do that. Alright, and scale outside. I put soy sauce in secret location. Alright, that's totally fine. But I'm going to promise you, this is not going to look as well as I planned it to be. But I'll still try my best to get it to look super fantastic. Alright, let's see. So maybe like this. What the? Whoa. Okay. Okay, that's pretty funny. Alright. Alright, let's see. Maybe I should slightly increase the time of the day-night cycle. Maybe. So like, every 2 seconds, it's gonna increase the time. Maybe. Maybe a little more, but depends. So yeah. Alright, let's see. So this is the sidewalk. It will glitch, but that's totally fine. What was the size of this thingamajiggy? What was it? It was 3.4? Alright, 3.4. Let's try that on that. Alright, 3.4. Alright, 3.4. Alright, the problem though is that the sidewalk is kind of messy. Looks ugly. Terrible. Yeah, I don't know how this is going to work. The sidewalk is probably going to be the hardest of the roads. Maybe if I like... Okay, I have a suggestion. How about I went ahead and do something a little different about this. So, maybe like... Actually, I'll keep this one, but... How about I like combine these... What is this doing there? Alright. Maybe if I do the sidewalk anchored into as a model and then do that instead. Is that a good idea? That could be a good idea. But the problem is, you have to make sure that only one at a time. So, yeah, that's the problem, but it shouldn't be too much of a deal. Alright, let's see. Copy that, move over here. Wait, there was another sidewalk in there? Whoa, I did not know that. Oopsie daisies. There's those. There you go. Alright, so make some changes. There was still a sidewalk I had to delete. Oh no, there were... How many were there? Let's see. Okay. Okay, that's the normal one. Alright, normal sidewalk. Let's try to find this. Let's see. No. Alright, let's see. Was that all of them? Yep. Alright, good. Good, perfect. Now what I need to do is to model these this time. This time I'll be modeling these. Luckily they work, so that's awesome. Go ahead and name this road to avoid confusion. Alright, so now we'll give this a shot. A little shot. Do you have disco? Disco? Yes, disco. This guy's a fun little platform. Pretty fun to use. Alright, let's see. So it's 11.5. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. That's a stinker. Oh no. Well, that's ruined. Well, I don't know what to do. Oh no. Well, that's a big F right there. Maybe if I like kind of set the angle a little differently. Oh, I see the reason. Oh. Okay, I see why. I see why. I see why. I see the reason. I found it. Whoa. A ton of sidewalks. Excluding this one right here. Alright, yeah, please remove all the sidewalks. We don't need them all. So it's 12.8. It was 12.8 the whole time? Oh, I see why. Okay, I see. That makes sense. Makes total sense. It's because it was here. So, okay, if I use the thumbnail I made? Maybe. Let me show you. Alright, let me type it in. So, for those wondering, this is my, oops, that's not the right one. This is my disco. It's called disco. You can change it or whether you want. Yeah, I'll give it a shot. I'm going to see what it is. I will approve it or disapprove it depending on the look. But yeah. That's what I have to do. Alright, how about this? So there are 7. I have to do 6, so it's not too bad. Let's see if I can do this. Hopefully the sidewalks line up properly. If not, it's a bummer. Alright, let's see. Alright, so this is 1. Alright. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 of these, and then we got 7. Alright, will the sidewalks line up properly? No! No! They do not. But that was close. This one does, but this one over here does not. Aw, man. Aw, that's a bummer. I wish, but nope. This one does. But this one ruined my life. Aw, man. Well, that's it. That's a big shame right there. But what if I just do that? This is just for a test, by the way. Alright, let's see. Will they line up, though? Nope, they do not. Although they do look like they do line up, but... No, they don't. Oh my goodness. No. I cannot believe that. Alright, what do you got here? Alright, let's see. Just checking some stuff out. Alright. Hello. Wait, what? Is that the right person? Oh, okay. What was that? Oh yeah, the music I'm playing right now is not copyrighted either, so just an FYI for those wondering. It's safe. Just wanting to use different stuff. Alright, let's see. Doing this. All these roads suck. They killed them all. I hate this pop-up though. Change history surface keeps popping up every single time. Like, that frustrates me. Like, I don't like that pop-up. It's just so obnoxious. Alright. So I'm gonna do 0. Actually, no. How about 1? It's gonna be ugly, but... Wait, no, I didn't mean to do that. How many, though? Let's see. Let's see. 46. Let's see. 46. This loads in automatically. Holy snap. Almost done. This will take like, I don't know, 30 seconds. Alright. They're all loading in. Let's see how well this goes. 157. Alright, let's see. Yay! Well, it's a long road. That doesn't look too bad. We had to do that. Literally, I had to do that because the sidewalks don't line up properly. Like, it takes so long. Like, I love that. That is cool, but also kind of ugly. My user is this. Oh, but you didn't put your, thingamajiggy. You gotta put your thingamajiggy, the numbers. No, jumbled numbers. If you put your jumbled numbers, I could do that. What's your jumbled numbers, mister? I gotta add you if you put your numbers on. Alright, let's see. I already sent request. Hold on. Please hold on. Gotta do some magic. There you go. Magic. Magic. Question mark. Alright, you already got me? Which one? Maybe I just have to refresh or something like that. No. No. See all. See all. Why can I not see all friend requests? This code is kind of weird. Alright, let's see. So you already sent me a disk. Alright, let's see. Checking disk. Please don't sign me out. This code sucks if I do get signed out. Oh, you had to be joking. Why did I keep signing out every single time? Like, what did I do wrong? I did nothing. Excuse me. Alright, here we go. So it looks like I have to flatten off this road. Just for one little sidewalk. I think that's a bummer. Let's see. Which one? No, that's not the right one. Oh, there you go. Oh, I see you now. Alright, what you got there, man? Welcome to the first ever update of Life from the Moon. This ain't Life from the Moon. This is the first ever update of this game. Send mine in your streams chat because Roblox tags it. Alright, gotcha. Don't worry. Alright, let's see. Fixed plane. Let's see. 7.761. Is that the amount we did? Gonna expand it to the max. Bang, 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 bang. We're just gonna destroy all this, wreck all this terrain so the road can go through. There's more. Gonna destroy it more. More than ever. Goodbye, terrain. Have a good night. Alright, let's see. Is that good? Some of it is floating, though. I don't know why, but some of it is floating. I don't like that. Just delete this. Oh, it's invisible. Ah, now it's being deleted. What is that? There's another circle? I thought it was the only one. Ah, okay. Cool. Love that. Alright. Now we made some room for the road. It's a little better. Then normally you can just grow on the material because I only want asphalt. Alright. There we go. Flatten it out. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now we're talking. Although it looks kind of funny, I guess. Alright, let's see. Let's see. There you go. Doesn't look too bad, but it could have some improvements. Alright, so now that we got the road, some parts of the road, I do want to union all of them. They look a lot better. Kind of glitchy though, but look a little better. Although the only downside is that this part of the sidewalk is not lining up properly, which is totally fine. But other than that, it looks good. Alright, let's see. Oh, what you got there? Discovery of the moon. That's a really nice looking thumbnail. I love that, but I will try to make some changes. I'll keep it though. Very nice. Very neat. I'm just, yeah, I'll save it. It's very nice. If only I could download it. There you go. Thank you. That's a nice looking thumbnail, actually. But to be honest, I'll still add that new logo, but I like it. It's very detailed, I guess. Alright, but currently I just got this to work with. So I'm going to delete this part, add the spaceship thingamajiggy. What is the orientation of this thing, actually? What is it? It is 117. Alright, so I have to make that 117. Ah! While also making this 0. Ah, that's even more evil. So this one's 117, but this one refuses to face 117. What? That's not legendary. Okay, that's worse. That is the worst I ever gotten. Wait a minute. Oh. Okay, I see why. It's because it's okay, it is at 117. Why is it at 117 if it's not? That's weird. What is this? So if the road is 117, oh, I see why. Okay, I see why. I think I see why. It's because, yeah, it just faces the wrong way. Maybe it's like 90, so it's like 27. Is that right? Oh, negative. My bad. No? Oh no, 27 minus 90 is not negative 27. It's 27 minus 90. Negative 63. Alright, negative 63. Oh, okay, nope. Let's see, so it was 117. So then we rotate it. And now we get negative 153. Does it fit, though? Does it fit with this part of the sidewalk? If it does, awesome sauce. But if not, uncool. Alright, let's see. Gonna move this a little bit. What the? My mouse is kind of awful. Okay, why is my computer lagging? What the? Oh, that was the... Oh, I see, the elevation for the Y. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. My bad. Alright. I just want this game to look fantastical and not some game where it's like, is this so broken? Alright. And done. Alright. Alright, almost done. Just gotta scale it up a little bit. Alright, not too much to go. There you go. Let's see. Did that help? Nice. Nice and nice. I love that. That is epic. Alright, then I just need to scale it along the road. If it's not facing the right direction, that's an orthodox. Alright, let's see. Alright, it is. It has to be has to be touching the road for it to be valid. Alright, there you go. Did it work? It may not be the most accurate. It works a little bit, but it's a little off. But that's not too much of a problem. What are the measurements of the road? Alright, so it's about 143,674. It's like 22278. Let's see, what was it? 143,674, 7791. Okay, that's some weird measuring. Maybe it's like this, I guess. I don't know. I don't even know. Maybe. And then I think it's 9. No, I think it's 7-8. 7-8. All right, it's moving in a little bit. 6-8. All right, 4-8. Oh boy. Okay. Almost. 1-3-8. Right? I think it worked. Yeah, a little bit off. Maybe 2-8. Wait, if I do 2-8, will it not? Oh yeah, that's true. Let's see, 1-1-8. Nope. Dang, what's the spot then? Is it this? I don't even know. Looks accurate. I mean, to be honest, this is a nice looking pathway. Yeah, totally being honest, this is amazing. The road, the glory, some details. I like it. Okay, so the problem is the pillars floating, and that's not intentional because why would we have a floating thingamajiggy? So to fix that, we're gonna grow at this section while also flattening it out. So no one can explore this area of the cave. And then plain lock has to be turned off because I don't use plain lock. For growing stuff at least. Flattening yes, but no for growing. Okay, that's too big. One too small. Yes. Yes, yes, and yes. There we go. Perfect sauce. Now we officially got that done. Go where you're at real quick. Alright, please let me save this first. Alright, where are you? Where's the man? Where'd the man go? Oh, he's over here. Alright, let's see. Alright, not too bad. Got some habitats over here. Whoa. There's a sidewalk that needs to be placed here, though. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty good. One of them... Oh, both of them have no trees. This one has trees. This one doesn't have anything, except for grass. Alright, slightly better. Still kind of obnoxious, but... Alright, I'll accept that. Doesn't look too bad, if you ask me. I like the design itself. Very creative. And I guess I'll conclude today. Today was a pretty standard day, I guess. I was extremely proud of what it looks like so far. I did a really good job with the road. He did a really good job with the stuff. And I also worked on some of the inventory. It's not done yet, but I am planning to work on it more than ever. So tomorrow, I will be planning to work on some of the best stuff I can. So yeah, if you guys have enjoyed, you may leave a like. Feel free to subscribe as well. Be sure to hit the bell icon to never miss a video. And as always, my name is Mr. Vince. I hope you all have a great Thursday or Friday, depending on the day you're watching this video on. And please be sure to stay happy and stay safe. See you guys in the next live stream. You gonna stay in a bit or leave after stream ends? I think I will be leaving for a video, and then I got some stuff to do, so unfortunately I will not be on again, but I may be on tomorrow morning, so don't worry about that. But anyways, guys, have a great day, everybody. Again, stay safe, please. And I'll see you guys in the next live stream. How do I... This ain't the right update. It's a broken snap. This ain't the right update, right? Hold on, guys. Please hold on. I got something going on here. Okay, now it should be good. What? Alright, sorry guys. Can't go on tomorrow until 3 because of school. Same thing here, but I can work on my game during school. And I'll show you a little trick. Actually, I won't. Sorry. But it's pretty easy. Anyways, take them off in Fedora. Seema's gonna say goodbye. Goodbye. I'm gonna miss you all until tomorrow. And then we have these rockets. Rockets are gonna blast into this space. And then there's Bad CC. Just chilling as usual. Get these guns. Yeah, guns. Alright, have a great day, everybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I forgot to mention, this is my Fedora.